everybody, it's Chantel with Tully's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Tully's Talking Chalk, VIP. You can also check me out on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. I'm just going to see how this is all looking. I want to make sure all things are good. There we go. If you're on the replay, hashtag replay in the comments and let me know when you've seen this. Today we are doing Above All Things Love. We did this side the other day. And now we're just going to do the other side, but the other side is actually brown. I like the fact that it's two different colors, just to change up how it goes. I am keeping the colors that we're using the same as the other side, just in case you don't really want to change up your colors too much. Let me just find the open part here. Now these are reusable 8 to 12 times, even more if they're really sticky and they are well kept. We are going to fuzz because this is a new transfer. We don't want it to stick to the surface so much that it will stretch when we try to pull it out. Hello everybody, who's all in here with me today? I'm sorry again, my top camera moves with the table. Alright. So I'm just going to move that out of the way. Move this up. And this nicely fits in here, so you don't have to fuss too much with it. This is our 5x7 box, double-sided box frame. If I can get words out. Now this is going to be a very basic design. We're using this, again, the same two colors that we used last time. Really need to get like something so that I can pull this out if I need to. Because it's a little off, but it should be alright. If you're in here, say hello. So we're going to do the first 3 words in the black, and then we are going to be using the purple with the word love. I have my 2 squeegees here so that we're not mixing colors. And these are just pastes. I'm not needing to use ink because we are not going to be washing said design. Because it's wood. You could be doing t-shirts and stuff, so you want to use our ink. That's all on the website. You can go to tullystalkingchalk.ca and then you can go from there and go to the business sites to see all of the stuff you can purchase. I do custom orders. If you see something on the site and you want me to make it for you, I can do that as well. Just have to let me know so that I can order it in time for whatever you need it for. I do have finished products on my website. Ooh, I almost forgot all of that. Paul, I'm going to need your help for a second, though, because I'm going to need to pull that part up, and I can't get my finger under it. Try to get all of this back in without wasting it. The only thing tricky about these, because they almost go right to the corners, the sides, so it's hard to pick it back up. I'm just going to wipe off my hands while we do this. Got it. Thank you. Oh, and this one's coming off really nice. That's awesome. Now we're only going to pull up until we're done all of the letters that are there. We're just going to let it dry for a second. Doesn't take long. You can always use a heat dry tool. We have those on the website as well if you would like, or you can get them from any type of craft store. I'm scared to let this go, but now we're going to do the purple. This is just a fun little project. Keep in mind, kids can do this too. If you have some crafty kids or some kids that could benefit from some quiet time just crafting, give you a long time. This is all natural paste and ink, so it's no harm to your family, even your pets. If they happen to accidentally get into it, it will be fine. These are our, I want to say glitters, shimmers. So if a dog or a cat happened to eat one of them, all it would do is make their bathroom time colorful and sparkly. It will come out of them just like it would come out of a kid. Here we go. So we're going to do this for the last time. It's a nice and quick, easy to do craft. You want to pull as evenly as you can, especially if it's going to be really sticky, because it's going to affect your transfer and you don't want that. So that is our finished project. We just have to let it dry. It's nice and simple. Move it up. Sorry. Oh, when I got closer, I got out of focus. There we go. So that is our finished project. I hope you like it. If you do, give me a like. Give me some comments. Let me know. And again, if you want anything off of my site, just let me know about that as well. If you would like to join Chalk Couture, hashtag Chalk in the comments. If you would like to know about Club Couture is our monthly subscription box. And you can hit me up and do hashtag Club in the comments for the Club Couture. That is all for me today, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.